This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, at least 10% free storage and a recent backup. First, reboot the phone to clear transient memory. This often restores responsiveness immediately. Next, close background apps and disable Bluetooth, GPS, and hotspots to reduce CPU load. Once done, check storage in settings and delete large unused files or move photos to the cloud. Make sure battery saver is off when troubleshooting, because it can throttle performance and hide the real issue. Now you dive deeper. Identify apps causing lag by checking battery and CPU use in settings. Force stop or clear the cache for any offenders, and if problems persist, clear app data or reinstall. Uninstall apps you never use. Disabling bloatware can free resources. Once done, update every app from the store and apply any Android system updates to patch performance bugs. Also look for apps with constant wake locks and revoke unnecessary background permissions to prevent repeated CPU spikes. Finish with advanced tuning. Enable developer options and reduce or disable animations to make the UI feel snappier. If storage is nearly full after cleanup, move media to external storage or cloud and consider clearing system caches if available. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after a full backup to eliminate software corruption. If issues remain, inspect storage health or battery performance. Degraded flash or an aging battery can cause sustained throttling. Replace hardware if diagnostics confirm failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.